Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. So guys, it was a great fall today on market. We got a selling position. Okay, so we have an open selling position. Because of this trendline break, I was expecting Bank Nifty to take the Nifty up, but what happened? The first candle itself started becoming negative. Okay, so I was very sure because it's negative, I'll short it in Nifty too. So what happened was, let's go back to Nifty. So this was the first candle, 915 candle. We waited because this is a very solid support. What happened? Market came down, took support. Okay, it broke this trend line and then it came here. Okay, it closed here and then started coming down. I exactly entered this location. I entered this location 1:2. We captured 1:2 and we exited. This was a very good trend which I missed, which I missed, which was totally fine. But as we planned, the market did come till here. We did plan if market goes above this level, I will be looking forward to buy, but did not go above that level. It started dropping down, and it was a good rally. Yeah, almost a fall of how many points from here to here. This is almost 160 points or 200 points of fall, which is a very good fall. It's a very good fall. Intraday traders have made very good money. So now we have shorted it here, and this is our level now. Tomorrow where I'll be shorting, I'll tell you again. So if market opens gap up, I'll be shorting it post 21,660. Okay, 21,660. I'll short it. That will be my. I'll be adding it to this position, my current position, and my target will be at 21,440. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look. Or if I don't get anything, if it's choppy, if it hits stop loss something, I'll be shorting it post this level, that is 21,580 and below. So these are the levels for Nifty, and I am negative about this. And PSU banks, everything is falling. So we don't have any more swing trades for at least till the market is stable. And I have booked profit in most of my stocks. That is, I've booked trailing stop losses. Few year 1:3, 1:6, 1:10. It was like this. So I have booked most of the profits. My trailing stop losses actually got hit because of this fall. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, let's see Bank Nifty now. Bank Nifty, if you guys see, this is the structure we drew, and we see a fresh support here. So what might happen tomorrow, we'll see. Market might gap up or gap down, but I'm not trading Bank Nifty. This is a very good support which has been turned to resistance now. If you guys see, this is a very good resistance. If it gaps up, or if it gaps up above 45,000 and above, I will be waiting for it to breach below 45,000 and I'll be selling it. Okay, so this is how I'll be selling it. And my target will be at 44,600. Let's keep it around level at 44,600. Because that will be more practical. 44,600 will be my target, because this is a swing. This is a swing from where it's gone out. We want a follow through. Okay, this negativity should continue. Only if this continues, we'll be able to capture the bottoms in the future. Okay, so I'm not looking forward to buy anything. If it gaps up, I'll wait for my level to be passed. Only then I'll be buying it, or I'll be selling it. Okay, next is US oil. US oil, I'm still waiting on my level, guys. It is a very much sideways momentum, and near resistance it is giving this kind of a volatile market. That is why you're not supposed to enter any. If I would have shorted it here, SL hit. If I would have bought it here, SL hit. Whatever I do here is going to give a SL. Until unless this trend line does not get a proper rejection or a support, don't trade. Okay, so if it crosses 77 rupees and 30 cents and above, I'll be looking, or 40 cents and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it. If it breaches on the lower side, I will be selling it. Like if it breaches around $76.85 and below, I'll be looking forward to sell it. Okay, so this is for US oil. Next is gold. Gold, still my levels are not touched yet, so I'm waiting on it. And if you guys clearly see, this is a very clear base. This is a very, very clear base which is forming. From here there is a probability that it can bounce back up, or if it breaks down, it will come down straight. But always remember, selling happens very fast. Okay, selling won't take much time. Selling happens very fast. If it breaches below this level, okay, that is sorry, for some reason, yeah, if it breaches below 2004 or 2007, I'll be looking forward to sell it. It's on gold. Okay, and if you guys see, there is a trend line here. Something's wrong with my trading view, it's glitchy. So there's a trend line here which is trying to be broken, so let's see how it works. Alright, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got some information about my trades for tomorrow. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Do support, and please don't get into any swing trading positions for now, because the market might go against you. Even if you have good positions, please book the profits as much as possible. Let's see where the market goes and then we can trade it. Okay, so thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.